Most important question of integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of 2x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin t. For this type of question, simple technical first to simplify it. So you know well, this is integration of this is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. And we can take common a 2 here. So we can write what? That is 2, 2 is 4. So this is 2 sin x. And this is what? 3 cos x. Okay? Dx. So now we can put 2 sin x plus 3 cos x equal to, because derivative of this is. So you know 2 cos x minus 3 sin derivative of denominator. So we can put here that is t equal to what? 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. So we will get dt by dx equal to what? 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. Now you see integration. This is 2. So we can write here 1 by 2. Okay. And here 2 cos x minus is what? 3 sin x. And divided by this is 2 sin x plus 3 cos x is t. So we can write t here. And now dx. So we can find dx from here. So we can write dt upon what? 2 cos x minus 3 sin. So this and this is cancelled out. So we will get what? This is half. Integration of 1 by t, you know log t. So this is log t plus c. So our correct answer is half, and take 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. So log, this is what? 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of 1 upon cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square t. For this type of question, simple technique, just put 1 minus tan x equal to t. Because derivative of this will be what? Minus sec square x, it will be cancelled out. So let us see. So just put t equal to what? 1 minus tan x. So we will get dt by dx. So derivative of constant is 0. So we will get minus sec square x. Okay. So we can write dx equal to what? So this is minus dt upon sec square x. So now we can write integration of 1 by this and 1 by cos square. So you can write here cos square x. And this is what? 1 minus tan x. So this is t square. And dx is minus dt upon what? That is sec square. So cos square x into sec square x is what? 1. So we will get what? Minus 1 by t square dt. So integration of t square is what? So 1 by t square with t to the power minus 2. So integration will be minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So our correct answer is what? Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So here also minus. So minus minus plus. So we will get to what? 1 by t. Minus 2 plus 1, 10 minus 1. So 1 by t. So 1 by t plus c. So t is what? 1 minus tan x. So we can write 1 upon 1 minus tan x plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of sin x upon 1 plus cos x whole square t. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? You know derivative of 1 plus cos is what? Minus sin x. It is already in numerator. So for this type of question, just put t equal to what? That is 1 plus cos x. So we will get dt by dx equal to derivative of constant 0. Cos x minus sin x. So we can find dx equal to what? Minus dt upon sin x. Now put the value here sin x. So you write sin x. 1 plus cos x is t. So we can write t square. And here minus dt upon what? That is sin x. So this sin x is cancelled out. We will get to what? Minus 1 upon t square. So again you know this is minus, and 1 by t square is what? That is t to the power minus 2. So formula minus 2 plus 1, here minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So we will get minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So minus minus plus. So we will get what? 1 by t plus c. T is what? 1 plus cos x. So this is 1 by 1 plus cos x plus c. So this is our correct answer. Let us see the question. find integration of root under tan x upon sin x into cos x. There are so many methods for solving this type of question. But simple technique is what? Just put t equal to tan x. So when we put t equal to tan x, then you find dt by dx. So dt by dx is what? Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So this is sec square x, or you can say that is 1 by cos square. So we can find dx equal to what? That is a cos square x dt. This is what? Cos square x dt. So we can put root tan x, so we can find root t. And upon this is given sin x into cos x. And this is dx, so we can put what? That is cos square x dt. So one cos and one cos cancel out. So we will get what? Cos x by sin x, that is cot x. So cos x upon sin x is what? Cot x. So root t into cot x. So cot is what? 1 by tan x. So we can write root t upon tan x. So tan x is what? T. So we can find root t by t dt. So we can write this root t means t half and this is t1. So we can simplify this half minus 1 dt. So this will be what? That is half minus 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. So we will get t power minus 1 by 2 dt. Now you know integration of t to the power n is what? N plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So we can find this t power minus 2 plus 1 minus half plus 1. T minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1 plus c. So finally we will get minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is what? That is half. And this is also half. So it will reverse. So you will get 2 root under t. So our correct answer is 2 root t plus c. So this is root t is what? Tan x. So 2 root under tan x plus c is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Integration of x cube sin tan inverse x4 upon 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Just put tan inverse x to 4 equal to t. So if we put this number t equal to what? That is tan inverse x to the power 4. So we know dt by dx will be what? Derivative of tan inverse x square 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this is 1 upon 1 plus x square means x to the power 4 square. So we will get what? X to the power 8. So the derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square and into this is the what? X to the power 4. So we can find this what? That is 4x cube, right? So we will get what? That is dx equal to, we will get a 1 plus x to the power 8 divided by 4x cube dt. So when we put this value here, x cube into this is sine and tan inverse x 4 is t, so we get sine t, and here 1 plus x to the power 8 and dx equal to what? 1 plus x to the power 8 upon 4x cube, and this is what? dt. So 1 plus xt cancel, x cube cancel. So we'll get what? This is 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. Now integration of sin t. So you know integration of sin t is what? That is minus cos t. So this is what? Minus cos t plus c. So we can write minus 1 by 4. This is cos. And t is what? Tan inverse x4. So we can write tan inverse x4. And plus c. This is our correct answer.